Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the Can't Connect Network Windows 11. Chapter 1. Fix error Can't Connect Network Windows 11 from Troubleshooter. To start, enter Troubleshoot in the search box. Click on Troubleshoot Other Problems. Now in Network and Internet, click Run. In the wizard that opens, you can wait for the analysis to be carried out and see various tips to solve the problem. Chapter 2. Fix error Can't Connect Network Windows 11 Restarting Connections. To begin, in the search box, enter CMD, click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to access. Firstly, reset the TCP/IP configuration by running the command on the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, reset the WinSock catalog. Run netch WinSock reset. Finally, free the DNS cache, run the command ipconfig/flushdans, press enter. After that, click on Start, then on the shutdown button, click on Restart. Wait for the system to reboot. Chapter 3. Fix error Can't Connect Network Windows 11 Resetting the Network. To start, click on Start, click on Settings. Now in Network and Internet, click on Advanced Network Settings. After that, click on Network Reset. Now click Reset Now. You must confirm this process. Close the information window and then restart Windows 11 to apply these changes. Here you must wait for the system to be rebooted. Chapter 4. Fix error Can't Connect Network Windows 11 Manually Installing the driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu, select Device Manager. Now in Network Adapters, right-click on the driver, click on Update Driver. Here, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. After that, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the driver to use, click Next and wait for this process to finish. Chapter 5. Fix Can't Connect Network Windows 11 Reinstalling Driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu, select Device Manager. Now in Network Adapters, right-click on the driver, click on Uninstall Device, click on Uninstall. After this, in the Action menu, click on Scan for Hardware Changes. You can see that the network driver will be installed again. Chapter 6. Fix Error Can't Connect Network Windows 11 Configuring IP. To start, enter CMD in the search box, open the console as administrator, click Yes. Firstly, release the IP address. Run the command ipconfig/release. Now renew your IP address. Run ipconfig/renew. Finally, run the on-screen command to complete the network setup. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.